And here, as you can see, your Adobe fonts which are imported just now are ready to use without any coding and uploading. Alright, starting off, if you want beautiful high quality fonts without the hassle, Nexter integrates directly with Adobe fonts, giving you instant access to a massive font library. Now, let me show you how to set it up. First, toggle this switch on and then click on this gear icon. Next, a pop-up will show up within the input field of which you've got to paste the project ID. So, for that, head over to Adobe Fonts official website. Here log in and then do the following process as shown on the screen. Now, we will be copying the project ID, come back, paste that into the Adobe Fonts field in Nexter, hit save, and that's done. Now go to Appearance, Customize, then Typography, and here as you can see, your Adobe fonts which are imported just now are ready to use without any coding and uploading.